Hi guys, today I'm gonna play no, I'm not gonna play anything. I'm just gonna solve a Rubik's Cube on iPhone. So let's do this. Okay, I'm doing the white cross because it's the easiest. And finished the cross. Now I just need to pair up edges. I'm gonna do R', D 3 times, which is an algorithm. And then I'm going to take this red and blue edge piece and pair it up with this red and blue corner. So, yeah, I'm pairing that up. Now I'm going to pair up this orange and blue pieces. Where is it? Oh, I found it. But I'm also going to put this orange and green piece. Okay, now I'm going to put the orange and blue piece. And I just need to do oil, which is orienting the last layer. So I'm going to self do the layer. Okay, and now I just need to finish it off. No, wrong turn. No, also wrong turn. Okay, there. Now do that. Wrong turn. No, wrong. Okay, there, I did it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.